Hello, this is just a quick video to let you know that I am aware that there is a scammer commenting on the drone mask competition video trying to scam you to phone or text or connect by WhatsApp. Don't do this. The winner has not even been selected yet. The winner will be chosen on Friday morning, and I will create a video to announce the winner. That's the only way the winner is going to be announced, is by the video that will be published this coming Friday. Any comments that you see that have my picture and my name that don't have a highlighted name are not from me, and be very aware of it. Any comments that you see from anyone saying that you have won or you've been selected to win or anything like that, be aware it's a scam. It's not me, it's someone impersonating me on the comments on my video, so don't fall for it, okay? The winner will be announced in a video from me on Friday. Good luck to you all.